In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video slow motion in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how the speed control works, and how to get a smooth, polished slow motion effect without any guesswork. Start by opening the project that already contains your video. If you have multiple pages, go to the specific page where your video clip lives. This keeps everything clear and ensures you're adjusting the right element. Once you're on that page, click directly on the video on the canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles around it, and a toolbar appears above the editor. In that toolbar, look for the speed indicator that reads 1x. That number simply means your video is currently playing at its normal speed. Click on X and you'll see a speed slider appear. This slider is the key to creating slow motion. To slow your video down, drag the slider to the left. As you move it left, you're telling Canva to play the video more slowly. The farther left you go, the slower it becomes, and the more pronounced that dreamy slow motion feel will be. Take your time and adjust the slider gradually. A small move can make a big difference, and subtle slow motion often looks more natural than an extreme slowdown. Watch the preview as you adjust so you can see the effect in real time. If you've gone too far and it feels choppy or overly stretched, simply nudge the slider slightly back to the right until the motion looks smooth and intentional. The goal is to highlight movement without losing clarity. If your clip has sound, keep in mind that slowing the video can affect how the audio feels in context. Some creators prefer slow motion for visuals while keeping music or narration at a steady pace. If you notice timing changes, you can plan your soundtrack accordingly so the visuals and audio still feel cohesive. Also, make sure the video remains selected while you're working. Clicking outside the video will hide the toolbar, so just reselect it to bring the controls back. When you're happy with the result, you're done. The change is applied right away, and your video now plays in slow motion. Remember, you can always revisit the speed control later if you need to fine-tune the pace for different moments or to fit a specific mood. That's all it takes to slow down a video in Canva. Select your clip, click 1x in the toolbar, and drag the slider left until it looks just right.